Assalamu alaikum. A very good day to all. Do you know that people start viewing websites from the top left corner? Apparently, that's how we have been trained to search for data or information. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Nur Anisa binti Ibrahim Gani. Let's look at the evaluation of English language learning ELL websites using automated evaluation tool. English language learning ELL websites provide excellent opportunities for language learning. Websites quality is a key factor for user satisfaction and acceptance. The proliferation of a variety of free and unique website testing tools has made it possible to quickly assess websites' technical quality. Despite numerous research conducted within the spectrum of website evaluation, there are still a significant number of facets which appear ambiguous in this research literature. First, despite being a viable learning tool, the technical quality of ELL websites remain inexplicit. Second, majority of studies used checklists and questionnaires. Less made an attempt to use automated evaluation tool. Third, only a few studies utilized specifically SEO timer as an automated evaluation tool to evaluate websites' quality. Thus, there is a dire need to evaluate the quality of ELL websites available and highlighting the problematic technical aspects which will provide useful information for the website host and teachers. This study aims to evaluate the technical quality of free ELL websites using an automated evaluation tool. This is a quantitative research. This research design was selected as it suits the issues identified and it matches with the research objective and research question. There are two steps. First, screening step or screening process. A few websites with a list of ESL or EFL websites were visited. Next, 6 criteria were listed based on the aim of the study and applied to available learning websites via search engines. These are combined methods suggested by Photos and Brown 2013. 5 websites were selected. These websites fulfill all 6 criteria listed. The next process was the evaluation process using automated evaluation tool, which is SEO timer. SEO timer is a website SEO, search engine optimization checker, which comprehensively audits websites and provide recommendations for each aspect. Among 5 aspects evaluated using this tool are: first, on-page search engine optimization, on-page SEO, second, performance, third, usability, fourth, social, and fifth, links. The very first part of the analysis focuses on the percentage of each feature. For the first feature, on-page SEO, website 4 scored the highest, 96%, while website 2 scored the least, 66%. The second aspect, performance, website 4 scored the highest, 93%, while website 2 scored the least, 46%. For the third aspect, usability, website 4 scored 64%, while website 3 scored the least, 41%. For the fourth aspect, social, website 4 scored the highest, 69%, while website 2 scored the least, 0. All the websites obtain 0 for the links, which is the fifth aspect, which highlights a serious issue that affects the website's accessibility caused by unreadable URLs. The second part of the analysis focuses on the recommendations and overall grade. For the first aspect, website 4 scored the least recommendation. Website 2 scored the most recommendations. For the second aspect, performance, website 3 and 4 scored the least, while website 2 scored the most recommendations. For the third aspect, website 4 scored the least recommendation, and website 3 scored the most recommendations. For the fourth aspect, website 4 scored the least recommendations, and website 2 with the most recommendations. And all websites scored the one recommendation for the link, which is the fifth aspect. The total number of recommendations, website 4 scored the least total number of recommendations with only 9 recommendations, which is quite good, while other websites with more than 15 recommendations. Website 4 scored the best overall grade, which is A- compared to other websites. Table 3 shows the analysis of the recommendations. 7 recommendations from 4 aspects on page SEO, usability, social, and links are shared by all websites. Website 4 scored the best overall grade, A-, while website 1, 2, 3, and 5 scored C and D, respectively. All in all, none of the websites scored the overall grade A+, which highlights the best websites with accessibility and performance. Thus, there is a dire need to improve the 5 aspects evaluated to enhance the website's quality. Implications and conclusion. This study highlights limitations, provide recommendations, and contribute to the improvement of selected free ELL websites. These are the implications for the domain host, for the teachers. It serves as a useful guide for teachers to choose appropriate website to be used with their learners. For the researchers, it highlights the use of automated evaluation tools for website evaluation, and it highlights the current trend in education. And for the curriculum developer as well as Ministry of Education, MOE, this study advances the online learning trend by highlighting the potential of ELL websites, and it serves as a guide for MOE to develop personalized online resources and websites for Malaysian learners. That's all from me. Thank you very much.